So I think one thing that stands out kind of about your clinic that I thought was really awesome was when somebody makes an appointment, you actually find out what is causing the hair loss. That's really important.
Yeah, so being a dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon at the same time is different than just being a hair transplant surgeon, because I do medical dermatology, medical hair loss as well. So I really try to get to the root of what's causing the hair loss. So we usually do, no pun intended. So we will do a full workup first and make sure that we know for sure what type of hair loss that you're experiencing, because I have had patients who have seen other hair transplant surgeons who did not do a full workup and did not realize that they actually had an inflammatory scarring form of hair loss before transplanting them, and they didn't have good graft survival, lost more hair, and it was a real detriment to the experience because that was missed. So we try to be as thorough as possible. What you can expect when you come is we'll do a full scalp examination. We will do laboratory work if necessary. We'll do a biopsy if necessary. Get a good plan and make sure that you're not losing any further hair. Make sure that you are in a good medical hair loss regimen, and then only do hair transplant if absolutely necessary, and if we feel like you absolutely need to add hairs where you're not growing it and you don't have the capability to grow hairs back. So it's really a more thorough, comprehensive approach to hair loss, and I really credit my mentors, Dr. Avram in particular, because he really gave me an amazing approach to evaluating hair loss and making sure that we are seeking out the root cause, no pun intended again, excuse me, now I'm choking on my words, and making sure that we're evaluating the entire patient.